Sony PlayStation is quite popular for shaking up the gaming industry with each new console generation. From the groundbreaking original PlayStation to the powerhouse PS5, Sony is consistently breaking the limits of what's possible in gaming. Now, as whispers of the PlayStation 6 begin to circulate, the gaming world is abuzz with speculations. What innovations will Sony bring to the table this time? In today's video, we'll explore the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the PS6, discussing potential design, specs, and release timelines. We will also analyze a price tag for this upcoming console. So, without any delay, let's begin. The PlayStation 6 could mark a significant shift from its predecessor in terms of design. With Sony's recent experiments in console aesthetics, from the bulky PS5 to its slimmer counterpart, the PS6 might embrace a more compact form factor. This aligns with consumer preferences for lightweight, space-efficient devices without compromising on power or storage. While the exact look remains a mystery, it's likely that Sony will prioritize a sleeker, more manageable size to address the playful criticisms of the PS5's imposing presence in living rooms worldwide. The PlayStation 6's specifications remain largely speculative, but some exciting possibilities are emerging. Sony is expected to continue its partnership with AMD, potentially utilizing their next-generation chips slated for 2025. This could lead to a significant power boost, with rumors suggesting the PS6 might reach an impressive 20 teraflops of computing power, double that of the PS5. Display capabilities are likely to advance, with 8K resolution at 60 Hz seeming like the maximum target, with an option to play at 4K 120 FPS. Storage is another area rumored for improvement, with expectations of at least a 1 TB SSD, possibly even reaching 2 TB to accommodate ever-growing game sizes and frequent updates. While exact specs are unknown, it's safe to assume the PS6 will surpass its predecessor in all areas, featuring an upgraded CPU, GPU, and RAM. The PlayStation 6 is rumored to introduce a range of innovative new features. Rumors indicate built-in wireless charging capabilities for accessories like controllers, phones, and VR headsets. VR integration might become more seamless, incorporating motion controllers and headsets into the console itself. A revamped user interface is expected, designed to withstand the test of time. Sony may continue its digital-only journey, offering a disc-less version of the PS6. The console might also feature expanded PlayStation Link connectivity, improving audio experiences. Other speculated features include enhanced backwards compatibility and advanced 3D audio. While patents hint at innovative controller designs, including temperature-changing capabilities, these remain uncertain. As AI continues to evolve, we may see its integration in various aspects of the gaming experience, from player assistance to more dynamic in-game elements. The PlayStation 6's release timeline is still speculative, but speculations and past trends point to a potential launch around 2027. This aligns with the typical 7-year console cycle Sony has maintained with previous generations. Regarding price, while it's too early for accurate predictions, expectations are that the PS6 could start from $500 and reach up to $600 at launch. This estimate is based on past pricing strategies and anticipated advanced specifications. However, the final price will largely depend on the console's features, manufacturing costs, and market conditions at the time of release. As we wrap up our exploration of the PlayStation 6 rumors and speculations, It's clear that Sony's next-generation console has the potential to revolutionize console gaming. With its rumored compact design, powerful specs reaching up to 20 teraflops, and innovative features like built-in wireless charging and seamless VR integration, the PS6 could redefine our gaming experiences. The anticipated 8K resolution support, expanded storage, and AI integration hint at a future where games are more immersive and responsive than ever before. While the 2027 release timeline and the price tag are still speculative, they suggest a significant step forward in gaming technology. If these rumors see the light, the PlayStation 6 could bring in a new era of console gaming. As always, only time will tell how these exciting possibilities will shape the future of gaming. That's all for today. Let us know your thoughts on this PlayStation console in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more.